Right, everybody, this is Springer. Just figured I'd get out here this evening and let y'all have another little look at the birds. Y'all doing good. Moving around, keeping them on a little bit of grass. Everybody knows how hard that is. Gee whiz. All my other little birds are doing good. Baby girl. Baby girl. Got them in here, seeing if they can't lay me some little eggs. Get me a couple of more kelsos. Some other old kelso there. That's my newest one. He got an attitude problem. I done put him over there. I got to make up my mind on what I'm gonna do with him. Hey, oh Sharon. Hey baby, hey baby. Figured I'd ease down through here and give them what's left of this bag of oats. This is my sweater gray and his mama. Another thing with these oats here, I hear a lot of people talking about giving their chickens corn to keep them warm. Well, I don't know, but I know that ain't quite right, because corn ain't got nothing to do with it getting them warm. I mean, if you're wanting to keep your birds, warm in the cold weather now, you want to feed them oat, because them oats, that makes them, they have to grind it up and all that good stuff. It makes their little body keep warm from having to grind on them oats. Corn, on the other hand, corn gives them energy. So if you want your chicken to have a little energy, feed him some good old straight whole corn. It's like just something that you do to boost their energy level up, not to keep them warm. If you want to do that, oats is the way to go. But everybody's doing good. All old hens is out running around. I done got one nest of these gray and kelsos here. Hey, old boy. Hey, buddy boy. I know. You and your little women down here. But they've been doing good. Little man was bummed up here. His old foot was swollen up for some reason. I had to get him out and give him a little care last week or so. And it's looking a lot better though. He ain't favoring it near as much. I know what it is. He's up there roosting on these poles in here and jumping down. And old man, he ain't used to all that. But I just figured I'd take y'all down through here and let y'all see them this evening. Little girl. But I had me a good little round in my incubators and all that. And darn it if we didn't lose power. We lost power there last night. Probably about 12 o'clock at night, I guess. 1 o'clock. Heck, it didn't come back on until 1 o'clock today, so all them old eggs there, they just gonna have to start all over. That's just the price you pay when you're trying to mess with that incubator and all that stuff. It's always better just get you an old hen. Let her do her business, take her time. Ooh. And you ain't got to worry about the electricity going off or nothing like that. But these two little fellas here are looking sharp, real sharp. Had them out on tie cords all week. Put them back up in here and let them scratch around a little bit. But, alright, well that's how everything's looking. Just hope everybody has a good day, a good week. I know, get on back, dog. Alright, well this is Springer. I'm out.